Welcome to our channel. If you're passionate about woodworking and want to learn easy, profitable projects with full measurements and designs, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, tips, and creative ideas to kickstart your woodworking journey. Happy building! Today, we're making simple wooden wall shelves perfect for any space. You'll need a 1 by 12 inch board, cut into 24-inch lengths for the shelves, and two 1 by 2 inch pieces for brackets. Sand all pieces smooth. Attach brackets to the wall using screws and anchors, then place the shelves on top. Finish with paint or stain for a professional look. This project costs minimal, takes about an hour, and adds functional decor to your home. Profitability comes from creating sets or custom sizes for clients. Build a sturdy wooden stool using 2 by 4 inch pine. Cut 4 legs at 18 inches. Cut a top piece 12 by 12 inches. Sand all edges. Attach the legs to the top using wood screws and corner braces for stability. Sand all surfaces smooth. Finish with paint, stain, or varnish. This project takes around 2 hours and is perfect for extra seating or as a footrest. Its minimalist design complements any decor. Easy to assemble, affordable, and durable. This stool is a versatile addition to your furniture collection. Make a unique binding shelf with a rustic touch. Use reclaimed wood or new planks cut to 36 inches long. Attach 3 evenly spaced supports underneath using L brackets. Secure the planks to the supports with screws. Sand rough edges and finish with natural oil or stain. Mount on the wall using appropriate anchors. The open design is perfect for books or small decor items. It's a quick project, taking about 2 hours, and adds a charming, handcrafted element to your space. Maximize space with a corner shelf. Cut 3 triangular pieces from plywood, 2 side panels at 12 by 12 inches, and a back panel at 12 by 12 inches. Assemble with wood screws, creating a sturdy triangle. Sand all edges. Finish with paint or stain. Mount on the corner wall with appropriate brackets. This compact shelf is perfect for small items or plants. It's simple, quick, about 2 hours, and transforms unused corners into functional decor, adding style without clutter. Construct a stylish TV stand using 3/4 inch plywood. Cut side panels at 20 by 16 inches, top and bottom panels at 48 by 16 inches, and a middle shelf at 44 by 14 inches. Assemble with wood screws and brackets, attaching sides to the top and bottom. Secure the middle shelf inside. Sand all surfaces thoroughly. Finish with paint or stain. Add decorative handles or legs for flair. This project takes 4 to 5 hours and provides ample storage for media devices. Functional and modern, it enhances your living room decor while being budget-friendly. Thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel. Your encouragement means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more woodworking projects, tutorials, and tips, please subscribe and stay tuned. We appreciate your support and look forward to helping you create amazing crafts.